Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to replace this little screw right here for some of the horns that's having problems with skipping. So if we have to, we'll send you this screw and then you can replace it, and I'll show you how to replace it. So you take the screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, like this, and you put it down here and you just take these two screws out, okay, on the very back of the horn. Take that screw, loosen it up, take that screw, loosen it up, okay. Take the screws out, and then you take this little cover and just pop it off with your hands. You should be able to just pop it with your hands. If you can't, you can take a little screwdriver and just pry it in there and something and pop it off, but usually we take it off with our hands and it's pretty easy. And so there's the cover right there. You'll have to put that back on when you get done. But you see this little bolt right here. This is what we're going to be replacing, is that little bolt right there. So take it out real quick. Take this little bolt out. It's a metal bolt. And we're going to replace it with this little plastic screw bolt right here. And you'll see, I'll show you underneath here, there's a little washer right there. So this little washer right here needs to stay there, okay? It needs to be in the center. So we'll stick this little screw right here in there. Make sure it goes inside that washer. Right there, pretty easy. And then we'll take a straight headed screwdriver and tighten that little thing down. And that 90% of the time fixes the problem with one of them skipping. If you get a big Bubba horn and we send you the screw and it's skipping, and so that's it. You simply just put that in there, little screw in there. You take this one out, the metal one out, and throw it away. And then put this plastic one in there and then put your cover back on. Pretty simple. Put the screws back in. And then go test it and make sure it's okay. It should be okay. That plastic screw takes care of a lot of the problems with the big Bubbas at the skip, and every once in a while we do get one that skips. And we found that this bolt is causing a problem with a few. So that's how you put the plastic screw in the big Bubba unit.